Hi guys, welcome to Rotors channels. Today I'm working on a 2009 RAV4 all-wheel drive, changing front and rear brakes and rotors. First thing you do, take 4 bolts off. Make sure the car is lifted and secured. This is my brother-in-law. You want to say hi to YouTube?
Just help her.
Yeah, I'm just telling him what to do. Anyway, you take off these 4 bolts. And I'll show you next. So next step, what we're gonna do, these size 14 bolts, they're gonna come off, these 2, and then size 17 right there, and that's how we take the caliper off the bracket. So what he's doing right now, taking the caliper bracket bolts, size 14, first top one, and then the bottom one. It's fairly easy to change rotors on this car. All you need a big hammer and just this comes off after you take off the bracket. We decided to change the brakes and rotors because he drives a lot. Figured to be safe. These rotors are still okay, but whatever, we got a good deal on the rotors. And you must have a hook just like this to make sure that you hang the caliper. Is it coming off? Okay, so what we're gonna do, hook the caliper on the spring, and now we're gonna take the bracket that holds the brake shoes and everything, size 17 bolts, the big one right there. No, oh yeah. These one right here. Give a lick to take this off. Ти відкручуєш не то.
А чому не відкручені?
Right here. This is where we gotta unscrew the bracket. This is to hold the caliper. Розумієш? 17. And go counterclockwise, hit it a little bit, and it should get loose. Want me to help you? Sometimes it's hard to get these bolts off, so you gotta kind of hit it. Okay, so the caliper bracket came off. Just holding on one more bolt. I'm gonna take this off, take the shoes out, and then we're gonna hammer the spray with W40 to loosen the rust. Spray it good. See, on Toyota, this rotor is actually held in place just like that. You just slide it on. But sometimes the rust builds up and it seizes. So it's very hard to take the rotor out. You have to hammer it down. What do you need? Hammer? Alright. So now he's getting taking that final bolt off.
Nobody home.
Hold on a second. So that's the bracket. Now we have to hammer it down. We had a hard time taking the other rotor on the other side. So see, it's moving.
Again, one bolt down.
Well, that's fine. It's hammer time. See, all the rust is on the bottom? Yep, that's from the rotor. Just hit it on the other side. It's gonna come off eventually. All right, hit it from the other side now.
It's a piece of wood.
Piece of wood. I don't know. Here, just gotta break my furniture. Gotta break my furniture now for a piece of wood.
This was our favorite furniture.
That was my bedroom pieces. You want me to help you? I want to participate too. Okay, so it finally came off. I have this huge hammer. Spray was W40. Clean it. Wow, it was hard taking that thing off. What do you need?
Towel paper?
Towel? I have towel. You need a towel? Alright, so we're just cleaning the part, cleaning the hob. And now what we're gonna do, put a new rotor. Can you? Yep, fun job. Instead of paying 400 or 500 bucks, you can do it yourself. I like it on Toyota. It's easier. You don't have like a screw holding down the rotor. You just pop it out. Get a new rotor. Actually, we went to AutoZone, right? Got a Duralast. I always use this product, Duralast. Quite good. Opening up the rotor. Advance, I always use AutoZone. My preference, I don't know.
Because it's free tools.
Just put it like that. It will melt when it's got hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be protected from rust.
It's gonna be protected from rust.
Good idea, Mr. It's brilliant idea.
I'm brilliant. All right.
Need a brake cleaner
Nah.
to clean those oils. Oh,
This is gonna spray it with a degreaser. We first install it, then we clean it. Don't worry about it. Some people recommend using, alcohol to clean it. I said nope. I drink it all. I'm not gonna use it on the rotor.
W40.
W40, that thing.
Better braking.
I mean, if you want,
Longer
I
stop
have
distance.
brake cleaner.
Use some DW. Use some grease on your pads. Longer stopping distance. Have more fun driving.
You saw that joke on the Facebook?
No.
Like, put some, for some, springtime you have to switch the,
Yeah.
on the battery.
So yeah,
Plus
guys.
and minus.
If it's springtime, make sure, don't forget to switch the positive and negative cables on your battery because you want to have an AC in summer. So don't forget, make sure you do that. All right, looks beautiful. All right, next step, what we're going to do, we're going to put this bracket on and we're going to secure that bracket with a 17 millimeter bolts, which are right there.
Okay.
No, not this bracket. Sorry, this bracket. Now, putting the brake bracket back in there, securing it with a 17 millimeter bolt. It's snowing outside. It's March 13, and it's snowing outside. That's why we're doing this project inside the garage. Good. Set 120 for the torque on the. I don't know. I'm just gonna check. And then one more. You looking for the torque wrench?
No, just the key.
Right there. 17 millimeter right here. That's
No.
That's 14.
Oh.
Okay. Did you squeeze it back already? Did you do that?
Yeah, I did it.
Oh, it was fast. Now we're securing that. I couldn't find this exact specification for the torque.
Yeah, because you need to go to the
All right.
shop.
Good enough?
That would make it tighter.
Huh?
Here, get that. So I'm actually showing you we installed the rotors, the brand new rotor in there, new shoes, put the wheel back. We did have a problem with this bolt, it was like loose on the other side, so we had to put that back. But yeah, good vehicle. That's a V6 RAV4. All wheel, very nice. So I have no idea what he's saying here. Just kidding. Yep, we did it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.